Tackform 3-pack of magnetic phone mounts, universal stick-on dashboard magnet mount and cell phone holder, great for car, home and office. INCUDES. 3 magnetic adhesive mounts, 9 metal plates to which allows you use 9 phone or devices with your mounts. It also includes 6 reinstall strips in the event you decide to move the mount to a different location. Clean your dash thoroughly with the included alcohol wipe. Many common dashboard cleaners and protectants leave behind a residue that will cause the adhesive not to stick. Designed for hard-surfaced, smooth or textured dashboards. Not guaranteed to adhere to leather or soft rubbery surfaces. Works great in the bathroom, on a desk, nightstand, in the kitchen, on the treadmill. You name it. More questions, please ask. If there's any additional information you're looking for that isn't listed, please contact us. Tackform Magnetic Stick-on Mount. Tackform Mounting Solutions is a family-owned, American company based in Chicago. Our Magneto Mini Stick-on Mount is a great way to mount your smartphone or tablet in countless ways. Easily mount your phone in the car where you have limited real estate available on the face of your dash. Doesn't block your view in the windshield. Doesn't block your air vent. Swivels for various viewing positions. Use your tablet in the kitchen. Mount your phone in the office. FaceTime while getting ready for the day. Watch the news while brushing your teeth. Endless ways to mount your device.